today in this video I wanted to show you a quick and easy natural air freshener that you can make for your home. Now, we all know that when we buy air fresheners at the store that it's got a lot of chemicals in it. It's got fragrances that are man-made, so they don't smell as good as natural fragrances. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make one using natural essential oils so that we get the great fragrances. And this is also, it's a citrus that I like to make. So citrus is very uplifting and very clean smelling, so it makes your house smell really good. It can help you get in a better mood if you're in a bad mood. So basically what we do is we're just going to use bottled water here. So this is just bottled water that I've kept in the refrigerator. Witch hazel is used as an emulsifier. Now, we all know that even though essential oils are not technically oils, they won't mix well with water. So the witch hazel is used as an emulsifier to help the essential oils mix into the water so they don't end up just floating on top of the water and then you're just spritzing water around your house. Now, like I said, I like to use this grapefruit essential oil, and we sell all these essential oils in our store on the website. So the citrus is really uplifting, so I use a citrus blend. So I'm using grapefruit, and then I'm using sweet orange. I really love the smell of that, and lemon. So you mix the three of these citrus oils and they really give your house a good smell. So let's get started putting this together. Alright, so what I have here is a 2-ounce bottle. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of witch hazel for this. Now, you can use larger bottles and you can up the recipe according to the size of your bottle. Just multiply the amount of ingredients by the size of the bottle you have. So, first thing I'm going to do, 1 teaspoon of witch hazel. Actually, I'm going to use a funnel here so I don't spill this everywhere. So 1 teaspoon of witch hazel. Now we're going to put in 10 drops of each of our essential oils. So 10 drops of grapefruit. 10 drops of sweet orange. And finally, 10 drops of lemon. And then the last step is to fill it the rest of the way with water. And since you're using essential oils, you want to use a glass container with this and not one that's plastic. The essential oils can break down the plastic, and you want to use something that's amber so that you don't get light, because light can break down the essential oils. So there we go. Now you have your all-natural essential oil air freshener. So anytime you want to use it, just shake it up. Spray it into the air. Oh, that smells really good. It's got a nice citrus scent to it. And it's all natural, so you don't have to worry about chemicals in your home. So this is a great thing to do. If you want to freshen your home up, just make some of this up and keep it in a cool place out of the sunlight. And you can make your house smell great anytime you want to. And I put a link to where I get these also at the bottom of the video. So we appreciate you watching, and be sure and like our videos and our Facebook page, and we'll see you in the next video.